Hello students, in today's lecture we will learn motion in a plane practice questions part 5. In today's lecture we will learn 8 practice questions. Clear? Or solve 8 practice questions. So, first question is motion in a plane. Question first is if F1 and F2 are two vectors of equal magnitude F. Here magnitude is equal. Clear? Such that mod of F1 dot F2 is equal to mod of F1 cross F2. This term and this term. Then mod of F1 plus F2 is equal to what? So here 4 options is given. Clear? Under root 2 plus under root 2 F. Second option is 2F. Third option is F under root 2 and D option is none of these. So which option is correct? Clear? You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. After that, we will provide solution. Clear? Solve the question. Let's find a solution. So, according to question, F1 and F2 are two vectors of equal magnitude F. Clear? This is given. So, FF cos theta means magnitude of F cos theta is equal to FF sin theta, or we can say tan theta equal to 1, because sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. Clear? So theta is equal to 45 degree. Clear? When solve this term F1 dot and F1 cross F2 term, clear, you will be get this term and this term. Clear? So theta is equal to 45 degree. We have to find F1 plus F2 mode. Clear? So mode of F1 plus F2 is equal to under root F square plus F2 or F square plus 2FF cos 45. Clear? Here equal magnitude. F or F have a equal magnitude. Clear? After solving this term, under root 2 plus under root 2F is the correct answer. Clear? So correct answer is A. A is correct answer. Clear? Next, second question is this. This is the second question. If a stone is hit at a point which is at a distance d away and at a height h above the point from where the stone starts, then what is the value of initial speed u? U is the initial speed if stone is launched at an angle theta. Clear? So which option is correct? A option, B option, C option or D option? Clear? Listen carefully. Which option is correct? You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. After that, we will provide solution. Clear? Solve the question. Let's find a solution. So according to question, the H is above point from where the stone starts. Clear? So we have to find initial speed u if stone is launched. Clear? At an angle theta. So solution is the vertical distance covered by a projectile is given by this. This is the vertical distance. Clear? Vertical distance covered by a projectile. H equal to u sine theta multiply t minus half gt square. Clear? Let this is equation first. Clear? And d is equal to u cos theta multiply t. So this is the d and solving this term, then t is equal to d upon u cos theta. Clear? T is equal to d upon u cos theta. From equation first, this is equation first, we get h equal to u sine theta multiply t. T is replaced in this equation. What is the t? D upon u cos theta. When t is replaced in this equation, it becomes this minus half g d square upon u square cos square theta. Clear? After solving this term, the h will be d upon cos theta under root g upon 2 d tan theta minus h. Clear? This is the h. This is the h. So correct answer is B. B is correct answer. Next is question third. A projectile can have the same range R for two angles of projection. Clear? Two angles of projection. If T1 and T2 be the time of flight in the two cases, there is a two angle of projection. For this two angle of projection, there is a two time of flight T1 and T2. Then the product of the two time of flight is directly proportional to what? Clear? Product of two time of flight. Firstly calculate T1 and T2 and multiply it. Which one is correct? Option A is R, option B is 1 by R, option C is 1 by R square, and option D is R square. Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After that, we will provide solution. Clear? Solve the question. Let's find a solution. So, we know that range formula or time of flight formula. Clear? Here, time of flight formula is 2u sine theta upon g. Clear? According to this question, the range of projectile is same for complementary angles. So T1 is equal to 2u sine theta upon g and T2 equal to 2u sine 90 minus theta upon g. Clear? Again, the range of the projectile is this. This is the range formula. R equal to u square sine 2 theta divided by g. Clear? So question say, according to question, product of T1 and T2. So when you multiply T1 and T2, this is the numerical term. After calculation, the terms will be 2r by g. Clear? Means the product of time of flight is directly proportional to r. Clear? So correct option is A. A is correct option. Clear? And this is the solution of question 3. Clear? Now fourth question. A projectile is given an initial velocity of I plus 2j meter per second. This is the initial velocity where I is along the ground and j is along the vertical. Clear? I is the along the ground. Read question carefully. Clear? And j is along the vertical. If j is equal to 10 meter per second square, the equation of its trajectory is what? Clear? This is JEE 2013 question. Clear? Which option is correct? Option A is y equal to x minus 5x square. Option B, y equal to 2x minus 5x square. And option C, 4y equal to 2x minus 5x square. And option D, 4y equal to 2x minus 25x square. Clear? Which one is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After that, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So, the initial velocity is u equal to I plus 2j meter per second. This is the given. Clear? And the magnitude of velocity is equal to u equal to under root 1 square plus 2 square, which is equal to under root 5 meter per second. This is the magnitude of velocity, initial velocity. Clear? Now, equation of trajectory of projectile formula is this. This is the equation of trajectory of projectile. Y equal to x tan theta minus gx square upon 2x square 1 plus tan square theta. Clear? Here y equal to x into 2 minus tan x square upon 2 under root 5 square whole square 1 plus 2 f. Clear? And solving this term, clear? Solving this term, you will be get tan theta y upon x equal to 2y1 equal to 2. Clear? So correct answer is B. Y equal to 2x minus 5x square. Clear? Question 5. A particle of mass m is projected with a velocity v. Clear? Velocity v. Making an angle 30° with horizontal. The total magnitude of angular momentum of the projectile about the point of projection when the particle is at its maximum height h. Clear? So, which one is correct? There is a options A, B, C or D. Which option is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After that, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So, we know the angular momentum of the projectile L equal to mvr, which is equal to mv cos theta h. Clear? Where h is the maximum height, which is equal to mv cos theta v square sin square theta upon 2g. After solving this term, L is equal to under root 3 mvq upon 16g. Clear? So this is the answer. D option is correct. Clear? Next question is, the coordinates of a moving particle at any time t are given by x equal to alpha t cube and y equal to beta t cube. The speed of the particle at time t is given by what? Which one is correct? T square under root alpha square plus beta square. B option is under root alpha square plus beta square. C option is 3t under root alpha square plus beta square. And D option is 3t square under root alpha square plus beta square. Which one is correct? You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. After that, we will provide solution. Clear? Solve the question. Let's find a solution. So, this is the given terms. Clear? X equal to alpha t cube and y equal to beta t cube. And r equal to xi cap plus yj cap. Clear? We can write r equal to this. Clear? Put the value of x and y in this term. Then it becomes this. And v is equal to dr by dt. Clear? And solving this term, the magnitude of v1 is equal to 3t square under root alpha square plus beta square. Clear? This is the speed of the particle at time t. Clear? So, correct answer is D. D is correct answer. Clear? Next question. 7th question. A ball whose kinetic energy is E is projected at an angle of 45 degree with respect to horizontal. The kinetic energy of the ball at the highest point of its flight will be what? Clear? Options are A, E. Option B is E by root 2. Option C, E by 2. And option D, 0. Which one is correct? Solve the question. You have a 10 second to solve this question. After that, we will provide solution. Let's find a solution. Clear? A ball whose kinetic energy E projected at an angle 45 degree with respect to horizontal according to question. Clear? So, at the highest point of its flight, the vertical component of velocity is 0 and only horizontal component is left, which is equal to ux equal to u cos theta. Clear? Given theta equal to 45 degree, so ux is equal to u cos 45 degree equal to u upon root 2. Hence, at the highest point, kinetic energy is this, half m u by root 2 whole square. And solving this term, energy is the E by 2. Clear? So correct answer is C. E by 2. Clear? Next question. Eighth question. Eighth question is, a river is flowing from west to east with speed 5 meter per minute. A man on the south bank of the river is capable of swimming at 10 meter per minute in still water. Clear? He wants to swim across the river in the shortest time. He should swim in the direction which there is a four option: due to north, 30° east of north, 30° west of north, and 60° east of north. Which one is correct? A, B, C, D. You have a 10 second to solve this question. After it, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. The swimmer starts swimming with velocity v along AC in the direction making an angle theta with AV as shown in figure. Clear? If D is the width of the river, time taken by the swimmer to cross the river will be T equal to dy v cos theta. Clear? T equal to dy v cos theta. As component of AB will be v cos theta, this time will be minimum. Clear? When cos theta equal to maximum, which is equal to 1. So in this case, theta equal to 0°. Clear? So the swimmer should swim in north. Clear? So correct answer is A. So questions is end. The summary is, vector condition, projectile motion, time of flight and range, projectile equation, angular momentum, particle speed, kinetic energy at maximum height. Clear? So these topics questions we learn in today's lecture. Clear? Last is kinetic energy at a maximum height. Clear? Thank you.